really start warming up today in Denver, and that warming trend will continue through the end of the week. This morning, I want to start with the wind gust map because we do have some gusty wind over some of the higher foothills and into the mountains this morning, especially around the Central City and Black Hawk area, south toward Idaho Springs, where the wind is gusting to about 30 miles per hour, and that's a westerly wind. As it's descending the foothills and into the metro area this morning, it is creating a mountain wave cloud. This is the Colorado-built Ghost 16 satellite looping over the last few hours. You can see that cloud developing west of town, and then over the last hour or two, it has been spreading east. So for some of us, there's a large UFO-looking cloud on top of us. Other areas, particularly Arapahoe County, Douglas County, and then up around Larimer and Weld counties, you're completely clear. But for those of us under that cloud this morning, it definitely feels rather dreary. This cloud won't last, though. Normal high temperature this time of year, 85. Going back to the first day of summer on Friday, it was 67. And then we had a pair of 65s over the weekend. Right now, this June's running about 3 degrees below normal, which from a climate standpoint is huge. For the last 5 months have been cooler than usual for us. Today we start warming back up, 81, so still cooler than usual, but it'll feel a lot warmer today. And then tomorrow, 84 degrees for the high temperature. Southeast Colorado will have some of the warmest temperatures in the state, mid to upper 80s there for La Junta and Lamar. Mountain areas, 60s for the most part. Some spots staying in the 50s like Leadville, 59. Other areas climbing into the 70s like Avon with 71. We'll see 70s and 80s on the western slope for today. I want to zoom out, take a look here at the southern Pacific Ocean. There's a big ridge of high pressure here that is to the west of Cabo San Lucas. What's going to happen is over the next few days is that area of high pressure is going to make its way northeast toward Colorado. And as it does, we're talking a heat wave at the end of this week. Our first 90-degree temperature since last year expected on Thursday. 90s coming almost 3 weeks later than usual. Typically, we have our first 90-degree day in early June, and this will be the latest first 90-degree day since our weather observations moved to the airport back in 1995. Futurecast for today showing a few isolated thunderstorms possible on the eastern plains. 95% of Colorado will stay completely dry today. Tomorrow, a small chance for a few isolated storms in Denver. So we'll throw in a 20% chance for a late day storm tomorrow. Again, you can see the warming trend. 90s arriving on Thursday, staying for Friday and into the weekend as well.